guys. Well, hey guys, welcome back to the McGuffin Show. My name is Samuel Delaney, and today we're going to be reviewing this plant. I think this is a very cool plant. There's a full view of it. I like this plant because it's kind of prickly, but it's also quite smooth. It's quite easy to keep happy and healthy, and it has this nice green base on it. I really like that, and I've had this plant for 4 months now. It's grown quite tall, as you can see, and I really just appreciate having it around me. I have it here on my desk constantly, so the best thing about this plant is really the tips of the stems, I guess. They're very thin and they have these nice spots on them, so that's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed me reviewing my plant, and thank you for watching. I've been the McGuffin Show. Goodbye.